street is moved to a.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Red Devil YouTube channel. And today we're gonna update you on some projects we're doing. The Nightmare, sorry. We got a big bogging deep Super Bugger Cooler 3000 scoop thingy. It's so big I could fit my dang head in there. And yeah, that's one thing we're doing. Get cooler air, that way the truck can run better and go fast. And then if we walk the hillbilly around back here, we got gosh darn parachute now. So we got this because we got kicked out of HMP and I want to go fast. So we need this for safety.
Safety first.
We're gonna make a brace and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, and we'll be right back.
Tell me how you feeling, and tell me is it true? Cause I've been waiting up all night just trying to work it out with you. I'm trying to figure out when you come around, why you never coming through, and tell me why have I been waiting for the day that I can finally say that you don't act different whenever you're around me, girl. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Lately I feel so alone in this relationship. I try to talk it out, but I'm the only one that's saying shit. Throwing fits, you cuss and fight. Shut up, bitch, you know I'm right. I'm tired of always having to just fucking be okay with it. Don't give me excuses, I don't wanna see you shut down. Telling me you love me to repair the bridge you cut down. And I don't know any better cause you've been here all along. I gave you every bit of me, but I guess it wasn't good after all.
Tell me if it's right. Tell me I'm the one you still think about at night. When you're stuck up on the rocks, you can't get over them hills. Tell me I'm the one that's here for you when you fell. Tell me what you think, tell me where I went wrong. Tell me what you think about when you hear my songs. Tell me how you feel.
Tell me how you feel when I'm gone. Since I landed, I've been trying to fly. I know I make it, I'm just waiting till my time is right. Try to juggle all the things going on in my life, but I'm a clown that's being anchored by the hands of time. And now you got me sleepless all night, staring at the ceiling. All that I can do is right, baby, I don't wanna fight, but sometimes I feel like I'm the only one that's honest with how I'm feeling inside. Yeah, I was the one that's here every single time you failed. Oh, I cannot help but to get them chills every time that I see you with them pills. Yeah, I can tell by the way you talk, by the way you walk, and you disappear when I ask you if you've been with someone else, that you ain't been sincere. Yeah, I just wanna know what you expect me to say when you give me that same old puppy dog face. You ain't been at my place in the last few days. Yeah, you the one saying that I don't give you no space. Ungrateful, so hateful. That's all I can think about when I see your name on my phone. You know what? Tell me how you...
Testing the strength of it.
Oh, here you go. Here you go. Watch this. Alright.
Now, don't pick it up. Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's good. It's on there.
It's not
It
going
ain't going nowhere. It's on there. Brother, that is chassis mounted.
Hold on. The only thing is, you think whenever you're going 120 down the drag
Why do you
strip,
think I want to go take it for a drive and open?
Let's
you
do
wanna
it.
go right here from the fucking entrance to the stop sign?
Let's do it.
You'll get up to what, 90 right there? How much gas you got?
Not enough.
So we got her on there, huh?
Look, charge by ignition, whole 9 fucking yards, and has a dangly on it.
Have y'all ever seen this? Hot Wheels key.
Chevy key. At that. It's ours.
Alright, well, I guess the best thing to do now is back the motor out. So, as far as that goes, that's mounted. A little too good.
A little too good.
A little too good as in,
Brother, I
with the whole
think
damn truck up.
dang, it's on there for life. Oh, fuck. rugged. Shaking. So we might be doing something illegal, but it's not really. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You know, we're just driving a freaking race truck. You know what I'm saying? We're good. We're good.
Lie to my face, tell me it all is okay. Tell me my friends are not fake, tell me they not playing games. Look to the sky before I blow up my brains. Now everybody wanna come around me, but yet it's funny how they never ever thought about me. Shit, lately I've been thinking even my own dad had forgot about me. That's some real shit. People underestimate the change that this fame brings. Yeah, it's hard to explain things when you're outside of these walls so restraining. Get inside my head, but beware of the strange things that are lurking inside you. Look directly at them, or they run up and hide. I know it seems a little crazy, but I promise I'll find it. Think I'm better off there, but yet I feel so alive. Woo! Fighting this whole war on my own. How do I have all these people around me and still feel so alone? I've been drinking, I've been smoking. Please don't tell me that I'm wrong. You say sticks and stones don't hurt you, but these words cut to the bone. Yeah, they cut you to the bone. You say sticks and stones don't hurt you, but these words cut to the bone. How come I still feel so alone? You say sticks and stones don't hurt you, but these words cut to the... Hey.
How many lies did I take from the ones that always told me I could never be great? The motherfuckers hoping one day I could give them a break, and now they all in my text saying I got what it takes. I don't think it works like that. All of a sudden everybody wanna have my back. Where were you the time I had the gun to my head? And where the fuck were you when I was left for the dead? You see, it's crazy how the money makes...
Right, there's videos on how to save a life.
Oh, let's see. If he's packing around, criticize him. That's about right.
Other way. It goes the other way.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because projectile.
Let's see the struggle.
This is gonna be the hard part.
Yeah, and imagine having to do this after every race.
Well, you get pros at it eventually.
Oh, it came out that side. This is gonna be the most painful thing that you ever make me freaking do.
That's it.
Yeah. Alright, come on. I mean, it's not like you're gonna be racing this weekend, so it's not. It's okay if it's not in the fine.
Perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, hold it. So you gotta take these.
Let's see the YouTube tutorials work.
What you wanted? We're gonna let it go?
No, don't let it go.
Okay, I was about to say I'm not putting this anybody in there. Where's the clip?
Hold it.
What, are you gonna have a string run from the inside of your cab out here?
No.
Yeah. Let's go. 120 miles an hour. Let's go.
Then how you gonna have it?
I'm gonna actually have a pin cord that runs through the bed, and it runs through all 4 of these, and then I pull it from a lever.
And just drops it.
Yep. And you know what? The spring moved again.
Yeah, dude.
It's
On the
fine.
bottom. Like I said, it's not like you're racing this weekend.
We'll be back. So you know when you have a race truck and likes to consume a lot of fuel, we're living on the edge. We are barely any fuel, and we are little
What?
look like we're pulling this thing. Let's see.
Come on, big girl.
Come on.
Nope.
Well, boys, we're out of gosh dang fuel, so yeah. Like, let's take fuel check. Oh, brother, bone dry.
There's still some gas.
Still some, but man, look like we're not pull this sucker. Well, I'll come back when we have a plan. So, all right, now the objective is we're going to get some gas. There's a gas tank right there, and then yeah.
You gotta
Well,
do this
is
shit.
gonna work.
All right, let's see. Yep, you have no funnels?
Not with me.
Not any in the garage?
Nope.
All right, here goes to gas. Cheers.
Let's see how it's gonna go. You have to commit, because if you don't commit. Oh, look at that. Give it a little pump. Come on. Come on. Ah, dang.